Hi, I'm Shen-Yo. Let's select with magic in PhpStorm. When we edit an HTML file, the most common action is to select something. In this context, I just simply place the cursor inside of a string, then press Option up. The whole word is selected right away. You can also press several times to select more context. In other words, when I press Option up again, the selection will extend to a sentence, and if I press several times, the selection will extend based on the context. Of course, you can not only extend the selection, but also narrow down. Change up key to down key, you will find that the selection becomes smaller. This feature is especially useful when we move HTML down. Everything becomes as easy as pie. Too good to be true? The best part is that if you combine this feature with other shortcuts, it becomes even more powerful. For example, there are a list of buttons. Each anchor tag has lots of CSS class. If I want to remove all of these classes, I can put the cursor inside the string, press Ctrl G to make multiple selections, then press Option up to extend the selection, and remove the class in a breeze. Not just HTML, you can use the same skill in other programming languages, like PHP. When we edit PHP source code, we can use this feature to modify function parameters, the body of conditional statement, even select entire body of a class method. This feature also works in other interface actions. For instance, when we try to rename a file, we can use this shortcut to select string in the dialog. That's all.